Oh, you poor thing. Don't worry, I'll help you. Weak whimpers. There, all wrapped up. Come on in, little one. It's warm inside.
You're safe here now, no more cold. Your family is looking for you.
Go on, little one, you're home now.
You came back to say goodbye.
You came back to help? Kindness always finds its way back. Kindness always finds its way back. Stay safe, my friend.
The wolf still protects her.
You never truly left.
Some friendships live forever, even from afar.
This home will always stay open.
That wolf saved my life.
In the frozen mountains, legends are born through kindness.
You found your place in the world.
Another family needs our help.
No one should face the wild alone. Do you think the guardian wolf is still out there? Do you think the guardian wolf is still out there? Some stories never fade. They become legends. We protected each other. In the coldest place on earth, kindness created a forever bond.